Today, we're joined by a customer called 4medica, and in Health Samurai, we always thought that like we are a platform company building FHIR platform. The best illustration of platform capabilities and success of the platform is what you can build on the platform. 4medica migrated the FHIR store from another vendor, and I think that's also an interesting story because when you implement FHIR server, it's not just you implement some proprietary database, so you're not locked in forever. And if you feel that you can do better with another vendor, FHIR actually enables quite easy path for migration to a different vendor. And our experiences for Medica fully showcases. So, Dr. Bess?
So I'd like to kind of give the idea of the scale of what we're trying to do. So we have 20, it's embarrassing to say, over 25 years of data. We were looking for a place to pretty much bring all the data, including our Oracle stores right now, and the new state level data sets, everything into the same database. We implemented one vendor, and then there were lots of changes there. The pricing structure changed. And so if we were to make that move of really billions of reports into a new system, it would have been quite expensive. And then the next, so we tried that, and then we went to another vendor, fully cloud, but the support just wasn't there. And so now we are on our third implementation. So we have an MPI that goes across all the records, and the system has to ping the MPI before it records the record in the CDR. We have the interoperability infrastructure. I guess that should have been put in front of the MPI, above the MPI, because everything coming in through that. We have thousands and thousands of people ordering tests each day. And so we needed something that was very responsive and could perform as well as any other database would, but using FHIR database as a background, right, as a backend. And then, of course, we have resulting that comes in, all these orders and all the results that come in from a number of very large laboratories. It's thousands laboratories, the entire IDNs and that come into the system that we needed support. And of course, we really we tell them, look, it's within our promise to you is going to be within 2-3 seconds, everything comes up. So everything needs to be, when they want to look at the report, when they want to look at submit the order, everything really has to snap. Then of course, and now we have a completely new infrastructure of the new platform that's no longer the older platform, but we're still bringing in some of these laboratories, and of course, it's the entire health information exchange set of customers into that platform to be able to do all types of things. Everything is now being merged onto this one platform. So now we definitely did some testing and we looked at the performance of these systems. We think we can handle it. We think these guys can handle it, right? I gave you a lot of the context already, so I'm not going to repeat a lot of that. But we are seeing a very significant performance boost with this platform, with Health Samurai's support was very important. And yes, we were doing it for the third time, but you know what? When you get a response within hours and sometimes within minutes versus weeks and days, it makes things go much smoother, much faster. So this is really, what happened. The first period, we kind of got to know each other. We wanted to look how the licenses will work out for us, just because we do have lots of data, and we're going to have that same engine supporting different installation of the same FHIR engine supporting other customers. So we did some meet and greet, and then it really took about 4 weeks to do the full implementation. Yeah, and by the way, it did include the upgrade to the newest R4 version. So here are the results, and I like the numbers, right? We were able to go down on number of CPUs, right? Went from 6 to 4. We could significantly reduce the memory requirements, and so it's a 70% reduction. It's really pretty amazing, and the disk space was also significantly reduced. So having all that, we're very optimistic, and going to start migrating the rest of the data and bringing on more and more customers onto the system.
So anybody who wants to try Aidbox FHIR platform, it's freely available for evaluation. Anybody can go to Aidbox app and request a free developer license, which can work forever. There are only 2 limitations. It's limited with 5 gigabyte storage size, and we do not allow to load PHI into free version of Aidbox. Other than that, it has full functionality of commercial full-blown Aidbox version, so you can get it up and running on your local computer within 90 seconds with Docker. There is a one-liner to bring it up. Or you can go to our cloud and bring Aidbox up in the cloud sandbox. It should take less than 30 seconds. Thank you so much for attending the presentation. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Dr. Bess.
This is much harder than surgery, I have to tell you.